This episode of Ties I Help was brought to you by Full Sail University. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to try something a little bit different that I normally wouldn't do on my channel, and I'm going to do a rant about iOS 8. So let's just get right into it. First off, iOS 8 should not be called iOS 8. In my opinion, it's not a big update. They didn't change that much stuff. I know they said they added a ton of new features and stuff like that, but they really didn't. It's not that much different than iOS 7. And really, iOS 7 wasn't that much different. They just changed the look of everything. They changed the design. I know that was a big change, but as far as like features and stuff like that, I didn't even feel like they added enough features in iOS 7. So going from iOS 7 to iOS 8 with that little of features, that kind of lets me down. Not that I'm saying iOS 8's bad or anything, I'm just saying that I don't think it should have been iOS 8. It should have been like iOS 7.1.2. They really just didn't add that many big new features. There's like a lot of little changes and stuff like that, and then just small features here and there. It could have been a lot better. It could have been a bigger update, in my opinion. And the main reason I'm doing this video, the thing I really want to get off my chest, just because it's been bugging me so freaking much, iOS 8 beta is horrible. Yes, it's a beta. I know it's supposed to have bugs, stuff like that. That's expected. It's going to have like issues and stuff in the software. It's the whole purpose of it is to figure out what those problems are. I get that, but this is the worst iOS beta I've ever seen. iOS 8 beta. I'm on beta 3 right now. Beta 4 should be coming out soon. Beta 3, even beta 2. Horrible. Like, my phone has pretty much been most of the time unusable. I can use it right now, but it has been freezing up constantly. Not even lying. I seriously got a blue screen of death on my iPhone. It turned to a blue screen, it glitched up like crazy, and then my phone crashed and rebooted. I got a blue screen of death on my iPhone. It's froze so many times, like I actually have to hold the home and power button in to get my phone to reboot because I can't even hit the lock button. Like, nothing works on my phone at all. It's just frozen. Let it go, let it go. Google Maps is not working at all. I cannot use it, at least for directions. Like when I put in an address and I hit like to get my directions to pop up, as soon as I do, it picks a random spot. Even though I put in an address specifically where I want to go, it picks a random place. I don't even know how it's getting the address. It just randomly decides, hey Ty, you're not going where you want to go. You're just going to this place. We're going to pick it for you. Thankfully, I realized that because the other day I was skating to a skate park and it was like saying 4.5 hours to get there, even though it was like a 20-minute skate. And it was going to send me to a different part of LA, so that would have been horrible. And for some reason, my phone has decided to not remember contacts. So a few times somebody's called me and it just shows their number and I'm like, who is this calling me? And I've almost ignored the call a few times and I'm like, wait a minute, I recognize that. And it was my mom's number, just because I don't remember off the top of my head. But my phone was not like connecting to the contact. How does this happen? I've also my text messages. I go in the text message app and they're just like disappeared. They're gone completely, or like certain text messages are gone, or I can't get text messages to send. Ugh. Why did I update to iOS 8 beta? Ugh. Never again. Or at least on my main device. I'm not going to update it to a developer beta. That was the worst idea ever. In the past, it hasn't gave me that many problems, but this time, it's been horrible. It's a terrible experience. Most of the time, I cannot use my phone, which is kind of hard because I'm in LA, I'm traveling around, I'm calling Uber cabs and stuff all the time and getting directions to places and texting friends, stuff like that, where we're going to meet up. And my phone just constantly freezes and messes up and I can't use it. I'm like, hold on a second, Uber driver, I'll give you the address. Just give me like 15 minutes to get my phone rebooted. I will say that one positive thing about iOS 8 is it seems like it's giving me better battery life. I don't know how that is or why, but it seems like it has. My iPhone lasts a little bit longer than it seemed like it used to. Maybe I'm just thinking that, I don't know, but I think they actually improved battery life. I don't know why, because most of the time I'm not using my phone because it's frozen. Let it go, let it go. My frozen iPhone doesn't bother me anyway. What is it doing right now? Look at this. I'm trying to tap on an app and it's not tapping. Oh, there it goes. I was trying to tap on the app and when I was tapping it, my screen just kept going doot, 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 doot. Like it was trying to scroll just a tiny bit through the pages. I can't even tap on an app. Ah! This has been a daily frustration with me. My phone has been driving me insane. And again, I know it's a beta, so don't fuss at me for ranting about it. I'm just doing this to get it off my chest so I feel better. Because again, this has been a constant annoyance in my daily life. And I got a text message that actually worked. I'm gonna reply to that really quick. Nor am I hating on Apple. Obviously, I still love my iPhone. I'm still gonna keep using it. I'm just mad that I updated to a developer beta, and I'm probably just gonna stick with it. Beta 4 will be out soon, and it's probably gonna fix most of these bugs, at least I'm hoping, crossing my fingers. And obviously, when the actual iOS 8 GM build, the like final official version comes out, probably most of these bugs are gonna be gone, so don't worry about that. iOS 8 will still be fine once it actually is out to the public. This is developers, only developers get this. Unless you're like me and you just hook to somebody else's account, or you can pay for your own and get it. But yeah, There you go. There's my rant on iOS 8. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can go and click the like button down below. I really appreciate it. It helps me out a ton. And then also subscribe to my YouTube channel right there. And before we head out of here, let's take one last look at our sponsor for this video. Did you know that by 2015, mobile app development projects will outnumber native PC projects by 4 to 1? If you're interested in a future in tech, mobile is where it's at. And Full Sail University's online and on-campus mobile development bachelor degree program can teach you the skill sets you need to take advantage of these emerging opportunities. In this degree, you'll learn specific technology used in creating and distributing apps so you can concept, develop, and deploy an application from start to finish. Full Sail also offers the online mobile gaming master degree program, allowing you to expand upon your programming skills while learning how to improve the mobile gaming experience. Through Full Sail's Project Launchbox program, students receive a MacBook Pro, industry software, and iOS and Android devices. So if you're ready to master the technology and the software that takes to compete in this rapid growing industry, visit fullsail.edu/TIE to learn more about this online degree program. So check it out. This is my new apartment I'm staying in right now in LA. This is the living room. Here's the couch. Here's some books and stuff like that. There's a projector, which projects on that wall right there. We got like a sound system and some guitars and stuff like that. It's actually in my apartment. I'm just like renting this place out through Airbnb right now. But it's actually a really nice place. I really like it. If you guys want to go check it out and see what I'm doing in LA, obviously you can go check out my vlog channel, youtube.com/TyMoss. There it is. Go check it out. I post videos there Monday through Friday if you want to see more of what's going on in my life. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.